What's the meaning of antisocial behavior order? Antisocial behavior order. Antisocial behavior order. Antisocial behavior order. Antisocial behavior order. Antisocial behavior order.
An antisocial behavior order, ASBO, is a legal order in the United Kingdom aimed at tackling persistent and serious antisocial behavior. The order prohibits individuals from undertaking certain activities or going to certain places, and can also require them to engage with support services such as counseling or drug treatment programs. Breaching an ASBO can result in arrest and imprisonment. The introduction of ASBOs in 1998 was controversial, with some critics arguing that they were draconian and disproportionately targeted vulnerable individuals. Nevertheless, they remained in use until 2015 when they were replaced by the injunctions to prevent nuisance and annoyance.